Okay, kindergarten, do you remember when we did our handprints and we made our crab body? So we're going to go ahead and finish the eyes and the mouth today. We're actually going to turn him into a crab now by completing him with eyes and a mouth. So the very first thing you're going to do, and I just made one with marker just to show you, but you're going to go to the top of the thumbs. You know how we did our little handprints and our little thumbs are at the top? These are his little eyeballs, and we're going to add some little eyes up on top. So if you have your little thumbs up really high and you don't have room, that's okay. Just put them right on top of the red, and that's okay. You can do that. All right, so you will need a white oil pastel and a black oil pastel today. And the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to add these little white balls right on top of the thumbs. Okay, you don't want them too big. About that size is good right there. You just need them big enough to fit a black pupil in the eye, the part of the eye that's black. And we're going to add a smaller circle of black right on the inside, just like that. See how that looks like little eyeballs? Then you're going to take your black and we're going to make a little mouth on him. And I'm just going to curve a line, a big line, all the way in the middle of his body. And if you want to put those little curves, little U's on the side of his mouth, you can. And then we're done with these, and then we're going to start a new project today. We're going to be making butterflies. Okay, have fun.